Welcome back to my channel. This is Aru Adish from Take a Snack. In this video, I am going to show you a very good stuff. I am going to show you how you can develop your own keylogger in Python. Now, what is this keylogger? Keylogger is a process or any program which captures keystrokes such as your passwords, usernames, the messages, basically anything you type in your keyboard. The crazy part about this video is I am going to show you how you can develop it by your own. Without no more ado, let's jump into the video. So first thing first, you can open your any favorite Python editor you want. It can be Spider, PyCharm, anything you want. I would recommend you IntelliJ IDEA CE. This is a very good Python IDE. I have been using this for a couple of days now. It is very simple to import or write code. Now let's click on new project. Name it as keylogger. Create. Now in this keylogger, let's create a Python file. Python file called keylogger.py. So anything you want to build in Python or use any modules on your project, the first line should be import statement. So in this project, we are going to use a very good module called PyInput. Believe me guys, PyInput is a very good module. You can play with this all day. Okay, let's jump into the code. So it will be import PyInput. Now it will show you an error. No module found PyInput. So to clear this off, go to File. In File, you can see project structure. Click on it. Now go to the SDK section and click Python 3.8 keylogger and click OK. Now again go to the File, project structure and go to this compartment called SDKs. In SDKs, you can see keylogger. Click on that, go to packages and click this plus button. Now in the search bar, type for PyInput. Click install. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's already installed, so it was quick. But it would take some time for you guys. So now again run the code. You can see there was no error now. Okay. Now there is another import statement in this. We need a specific sub module from this PyInput. So we are working on the keyboard, right? So we need these keyboards function from the PyInput. So for that we need to write from PyInput.keyboard import star. So star means you need to import all the submodules from the PyInput.keyboard. Now press enter. Now the import statements are all done. Now let's jump into the main code. So for the main code, we need to create a function. How do you do that? So there is a function called def, which means defining a function. We will use that. Def. We can name it as on press and this open bracket and close bracket, and we'll name this variable as key. and semicolon, press enter. Now, what should the computer do when you call this function? What will it do? In this project, it should capture the keystrokes and print it down. Let's do that. So it is print key. Enter. So this next line is a very important line because this line is called the listener function. So listener function is main because it listens for our input. Like if I press D on my keyboard, it captures that keystroke and sends to the function on press. And it says that key is equal to F and it prints F. So let's do that. So the function you need to write is with L capital listener, need to put open bracket and close bracket, on underscore press equals on press. Cut that brackets. Now as. So what does as mean here? You rename that function, like as we keep it as lis, short form of listener. Lis semicolon or colon, both work. Now here we need to join this function. So we put it like lis dot join. That's all guys, the code is ready. Let's try it. This process is trusted. Input event monitoring will not be possible until you add an accessibility client. Okay, don't worry guys. This is only for educational purpose. Please do this only ethically or any prank. Now if I type F, this thing, okay. Now I go to google.com and type my password like ASDES. If you check on the console, you can see it says ASDES. So this is how a keylogger works, and this is how you can develop your own keylogger using Python. Okay guys, subscribe, share, comment and like this video if you like it. Bye. Meet you in the next video.